Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to add spoiler in Discord, so you can hide text or images until someone chooses to reveal them. Step 1. Open Discord and go to the chat server or DM where you want to send the spoiler. Step 2. To hide text, type 2 vertical bars before and after the text, for example, "This is a spoiler." Step 3. For images or files, upload the file normally, then check the column Mark as Spoiler option before sending. This will blur the content. Step 4. Send the message, and your text or image will now appear hidden. Other users can click it to reveal the spoiler. Step 5. Remember, using spoilers is useful for games, movies, or surprises, and it keeps your chat clean and respectful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Discord tutorials.